True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So my location is in the New Holland area. We all know the Total gas station here, so Total gas station up and running same way. So if you travel through that area, you can get no gas at the Total gas station and everything. Get no gas and thing, you know. So I'm giving a tour of this area after the hurricane past Jamaica, leaving Jamaica under a lot of stress, devastation, man. But I'm giving an update on that area and showing how I'm going, heading towards the middle quarters area in St.Elizabeth. So I don't have an understanding where I'm going. I head to middle quarters, not to Holland Bamboo area, but heading to the middle quarters, the longest corner in Jamaica. I'm going to try to see if we can grow in the corner today. And so I go on to this area. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Yeah, and abroad, you can big up on yourself. No matter the stress and pain we under after the hurricane leave Jamaica under a lot of damage. We still have to smile the same way. Still have to give the Lord thanks and praise. Yeah, man. We build back the country. No matter what, I just Father works, you know. A lot of people have faced it out there the same way. So we just need to come together and build back our country. No matter with the war thing, the violence and crime. This is a lesson to be learned. We have to learn, so we have to live good with each other. Live good with the neighbor, and the friends and family. In times like these, people and the neighbors suffer, as in from anything at all, maybe hunger, place to sleep, just even a word of thought, good words of encouragement. You live good with people, please me ask you now. And remember, say a one-man rule and a Father up above. So nobody is bigger than the Father. No matter the big house we want to have, the rooftop still going to blow off same way. Water still going to come in same way. So just give thanks and praise to the Most High. Yeah, man. So take a tour in this area. Leave in the comment section where you are watch from. So far on the main road right here. Looking left, looking right, don't see any house top blow off or anything. See a lot of banana trees, planting trees them down. So I don't know, say Jamaica now gonna have a lot of food like banana, green planting and them thing there, you know. One thing I can tell you now, my people them a speed same way, you know. A lot of speed are going up on the road and the people them know say they can encounter with some fallen trees and stuff. So but be careful when you drive on the road, man. Don't take no time and navigate the road now. And see where I go on first before you start speed. Post you now go with speed and not realize so one big over tree tumble down the road and end up hit up in the tree, lose some life. See the sign in New Holland, YS Falls, Ginger Hill, Middle Quarters, Black River. Yeah, so let's see what I go on. So I don't know, say me know the nearest gas station, me I go stop there and get some gas because we know say you soon hear say a lot of shortage in the place. People can't get no gas, people can't get no water, people can't get no food to eat. We are going to hear a lot of things in Jamaica. So we prepare for it. We prepare for it, my people. People are going to hike up their price for material things and all. So they prepare for them stuff there. And the people that are overseas, If you can help out to the family out here and them distress, send them a barrel, send them something. So them can enjoy them disaster when them go through. Even some food for eat. Just send them something so them can feel comfortable, because it not easy, it not pretty. I don't know what I talk about, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know exactly what Fire Reid I talk about. You know, life not easy no way over the world, America, England, Canada, Jamaica. But if we can come together and help out with people them who in need, suffering from other stuff, help them out for me, man. Help them out and support them. Point to note again, I never remember to tell you all, a lot of phone lines are down. So more time if you not reach out to the family members, them phone line are down, so people are gonna leave worried about them family member, don't know if they are safe or their loved one. Yeah, so them are gonna worry about them. Big up yourself, Rasta. One thing with the kids, them smart, you know. Yeah, some big people see the vehicle here come in and realize, say, when you see the kids, them say, yeah man, the vehicle here do some farmer something. Kids them smart, man. Take care of kids them. Love them and care them and support for them, you know. This is where we are in now in the shrimp country, where we get with pepper shrimp. So this is what it look like. I see a lot of trees down on the side of the road. Yeah, still going on. As when I say my eyes can see, I don't see no roof on the main road will fly off like that. Banana trees down a lot. Oh, I tell you say, you know, feel no way, you know. Country are nice same way, man. Country are nice. I don't ever realize how people live love in Jamaica now. When they have to go to their neighbor to get even more matches. I never realize that Jamaica nice. Water on the left side in the Holland Bamboo area. See a lot of people catching fish. So no father can't wait on the road, you know. No father can't wait and take time drive. When you take on the time, you realize what take place in Jamaica. Hospital are full up and we don't want them to go along in it because of the carelessness on the road. You know, please don't stay safe on the road. Look how you speed through the area, kids up on the road. Can't do that with people, can't do that. People them are help clean up the road and not speed fleeky people them off the road. You know, some people now use them head. Some people just drive because them get license to drive. A lot of disaster, people know the tree tear down on the road, they make me feel angry now. Don't take no time on the road, man. Navigate the road. And people, hey, what do them people here, man? When make Fire Reid start get angry. Because cause of careless and reckless driving on the road. We not take on the family members to other places and people just start driving reckless on the road, leave people place. People can mash up and things. You can't do that, man. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your #1 tour guide, touring and taking you in different places in Jamaica. Places to go, when to go, why to go. Jamaica is one of the beautiful islands on the earth, so we all need to take care of our beautiful island, Jamaica. One love, one heart. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel.